Good morning, dear students. In this video, we will discuss the back exercise of chapter number 6, that is different types of houses. So let us start with the first part of the back exercise, which is mentioned on the page number 51 of your EVS books. The first part is tick the correct answer. So here a statement is given and also three options are given. You have to tick the correct option. So let us start with the first one, that is tent house is made of dash. जो टेंट हाउस होता है विच दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ डैश ऑप्शंस आर सिल्क कैनवस क्लॉथ एंड वुलन क्लॉथ as we already read in the chapter, tent house is made of canvas cloth. Tick here and write the canvas cloth in the given space. Second one is house in a boat is called a dash. The house which is in a boat is called dash. Options are tent, caravan or houseboat. Correct answer is houseboat. House in a boat is called houseboat. Third one is dash is also known as house on wheels. Options are caravan, igloo and bungalow. The correct option is caravan. Caravan is also known as house on wheels. Fourth one is a dash uses bricks to build the walls. Okay, here we have to name the person who uses bricks to build the walls. Options are mason, electrician or painter. So correct answer is mason. Trick here and write the name in the given space. Fifth one is dash is made of blocks of ice. Okay. Name the structure which is made up of blocks of ice or with pieces of ice. Options are igloo, tent and caravan. Correct answer is igloo. So tick here and write the igloo in the given space. With this, we have completed our first part. Now moving towards the second part. That is, write true or false for the following statements. So here are some statements are given and we have to read these statements and write whether these statements are right or wrong. If a statement is right, then we have to write true in the given space, and if the statement is wrong, and then we have to write false. सो स्टूडेंट्स हमें यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दी हुई हैं, हमें उन स्टेटमेंट्स को पढ़कर बताना है कि वो स्टेटमेंट राइट है या रॉन्ग है. अगर वो स्टेटमेंट राइट है तो हम ट्रू लिख देंगे स्पेस में, अगर वो स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है तो हम फॉल्स लिख देंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन. ए सिंगल स्टोरेड हाउस इज कॉल्ड एन अपार्टमेंट. ही इज सेइंग जो सिंगल स्टोरेड हाउस होता है हम उसे अपार्टमेंट बोलते हैं. नो, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू राइट हियर फॉल्स, because a single storied house with a garden is called bungalow. That's why this statement is wrong. Second one is we should open the windows of our houses to let in fresh air and sunlight. It means we should open the windows of our home so that fresh air and sunlight can enter in our होम. ओके, हमें अपने घर में विंडोज़ को ओपन करना चाहिए ताकि फ्रेश एयर और सनलाइट घर में आ सके, जिसके कारण फ्रेश एयर के कारण हमारा घर जो हेल्दी हो जाएगा और फ्रेश एयर आने से हम हेल्दी रहेंगे और सनलाइट के साथ जो भी हमारे घर में जर्म्स होंगे वो किल हो जाएंगे. So this statement is right. So write here true. Third one is temporary houses are made of bricks and cement. He is saying जो temporary house होते हैं वो they are made up of bricks and cement. No, this statement is wrong because temporary houses are made up of mud, sand, etc. Okay, mud, stone, wood, etc. So write here false. Fourth one is house protect us from rain. हमारा घर हमें बारिश से बचाता है. Yes, this statement is right. So therefore write here true. So now moving towards the next part. Part D, who am I? Read the clues and write the names of people who help us build a house. So here the pictures are given and some clues are also given here. So we have to read the clue and watch after that we have to find the name of person. Okay, the first is I draw the design of a house. Okay, he is a person who designed the house or who designed the who draw the design of a house. The name of the person is or this person is called architect. Second one is I fix electric wires. This person fix electric wires in our homes. So this person is called electricians. Okay, I fix taps and pipes. This person fixes taps and pipes and also repairs taps and pipes. So this person is called plumber. I paint the house. This person paint the house so that our house look beautiful. Then this person is called painter. Okay, so see, architect always draw designs of house. That's why he is carrying chart. Okay, in his hand there are so many charts on which he draw the designs of house. Okay, this person fix electric wires. So this have bulbs and all these instruments in his hand. This is he is a person and he have the instrument which he uses in his work. Okay, he is a painter and he have a brush. He have a brush in his hand. Okay, so the spelling of architects are ARCHITECT. Spelling of electrician ELECTRICIAN. Electrician. Third one is plumber, PLUMBER, plumber. And fourth one is painter, PAINTER, painter. And now the part E, that is question answers. So let us start with the first one. Why do houses on hills have sloping roofs? Why do houses on hills have sloping roofs? It means जो hills पे houses होते हैं उनकी रूफ मीन्स छत वो स्लोपिंग होती है. ऐसी क्यों होती है उन हाउसेस की छत स्लोपिंग क्यों होती है? बिकॉज दीज हेल्प द रेन एंड स्नो टू स्लाइड ऑफ. दीज टाइप ऑफ रूफ्स हेल्प्स द रेन एंड स्नो वाटर टू स्लाइड ऑफ. क्योंकि ताकि अगर क्योंकि हिली स्टेशन में रेन और स्नोफॉल होता है और वो यहाँ पे उनकी रूफ्स पे जमा ना हो सके. जब भी रेन आए और जब भी स्नोफॉल हो वो धीरे धीरे उनकी छतों से उनकी रूफ से स्लाइड ऑफ हो जाए, नीचे आ जाए. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू यू कीप योर हाउस क्लीन? आप अपने घर को कैसे क्लीन रख सकते हो? बाय थ्रोइंग वेस्ट इन डस्टबिन. द सिंपल वे टू कीप योर हाउस क्लीन इज टू by throwing waste in the dustbin. Second one is by keeping things on proper places. Okay, अगर हम अपनी things को अपनी चीज़ों को उनकी सही जगह पे रखेंगे तो हमारा घर अपने आप ही साफ रहेगा. Question number third is what is a bungalow? So a bungalow is a single storied house with a garden. बंगलो क्या है? जो भी एक सिंगल स्टोरीड हाउस होगा जिसके साथ गार्डन होगा, दैट बिल्डिंग इज कॉल्ड बंगलो. Dear students, with this we have completed the back exercise of chapter number 6 and you have to write these question answers on your fair notebook. Take care. Thank you.